The thing is, I said in the beginning, Islam and secularism, I told you certain effects. One of the effects is that very traditional things that we had in the past, 40, 50 years back, we have given up all of them. For example, when I was young, I was told from the mimbar and mihrab that a believer is better than a non-believer, no matter how wrong is he. Do you remember that? Now what we say, oh, from these believers, those non-believers are better. How? The one who denies Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as messenger, he is the worst man, no matter how righteous is he is wrong. And a Muslim who believes in Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is better than him, no matter how wrong is he. Yes. This is our aqidah. And we have given up this. This is the influence of that school education that we have got. So, similar is the case. When we were young, we were told the Quran Majid is to be recited daily on regular basis. But now, anyone who turns to Islam, he starts studying Arabic and reading tafsir. He doesn't read the Holy Quran on regular basis as tilawat. I wanted to emphasize yesterday that tilawat is the source of guidance. If you recite regularly, through unseen channels, Allah Almighty will arrange guidance for you. Unseen channels, if you recite the Quran regularly.